Hi, a lady asked there a few minutes ago about number punches. How I get around that is I bring my material or paper onto my desktop or onto my work area, and I just come up to my text tool and type the number that I want, drag it out to resize or highlight it to resize, whichever is suitable for you. I'm going to pick a large font here so you can see it better. Click on your select tool, hold down your Alt key and click on your background and your number. You'll see you've got the blue line around your number as well, and come down to the bottom to your arrange tab, and the very last one you'll see is crop to top, and you'll see now there's your number. Now that looks a bit pale and wishy-washy, so I'm going to put a line around it. I'm going to put a black line, so I need to have the line color active on top. I'm going to click black and then come to line, come down 1, and that's my number filled with color. From there you can cut it by hand. The line can be used as a guide, cut inside it or leave it and cut outside it, whatever you want. Hope that explains it to you. Okay, bye.